Hello everyone! Today we are here to verify the difference between a frog and a toad. Frogs are fascinating amphibians that belong to the order Onura, a group of animals known for their jumping abilities and life both in water and on land. Scientists have discovered more than 7,000 species of frogs across the world. These animals live on almost every continent except Antarctica, and they have adapted to many environments including rainforests, grasslands, wetlands, and even deserts. One of the most noticeable features of frogs is their smooth, moist skin. Unlike many animals, frogs do not drink water with their mouths. Instead, they absorb moisture directly through their skin. This is why most frogs stay close to water sources such as ponds, rivers, lakes, and marshes. Their skin also allows them to absorb oxygen, helping them breathe even when they're underwater. Frogs are well known for their powerful hind legs, which allow them to jump great distances compared to their body size. Some frogs can leap more than 20 times their own length in a single jump. These strong legs also make them excellent swimmers. Their webbed feet act like paddles, helping them move quickly through water to escape predators. Most frogs are carnivores and feed on insects and other small creatures. Their diet often includes flies, mosquitoes, beetles, worms, and spiders. Frogs catch their prey using a long, sticky tongue that shoots out of their mouth at incredible speed. This tongue can grab prey in less than a second and pull it back into the frog's mouth. Frogs begin their lives in water as tiny larvae called tadpoles. Tadpoles breathe through gills and swim using a tail. As they grow, they undergo an amazing transformation, known as metamorphosis. During this process, they develop legs, lose their tails, grow lungs, and eventually become adult frogs capable of living both in water and on land. Some frogs are famous for their bright colors and powerful toxins. One example is the poison dart frog, a small but extremely toxic frog found in tropical rainforests. Its bright colors warn predators to stay away. Despite their small size, frogs play a very important role in nature by controlling insect populations and serving as food for larger animals such as birds, snakes, and fish. Toads are fascinating amphibians closely related to frogs, and they also belong to the scientific order Onura. Even though people often think frogs and toads are completely different animals, they are actually very closely related and share many similarities. However, toads have several unique features that make them easy to recognize. One of the most noticeable differences is their skin. Toads usually have dry, rough, and bumpy skin that looks almost warty. These bumps are actually glands that help protect the toad and reduce water loss. Because of this, toads can survive in slightly drier environments than frogs and are often found in forests, grasslands, gardens, and even near human homes. Toads also have shorter legs compared to frogs. Instead of making long, powerful jumps, toads usually move by walking or making small hops. Their bodies are often wider and more rounded, giving them a heavier appearance. Despite their slower movement, toads are still very effective hunters. Like frogs, toads are carnivores and mainly eat insects and other small invertebrates. Their diet includes beetles, ants, worms, spiders, and mosquitoes. This makes toads extremely helpful in gardens and farms because they naturally control pest populations. A single toad can eat hundreds of insects in just one night. One of the most interesting features of toads is the pair of large glands located behind their eyes, known as parotoid glands. These glands produce a defensive toxin that helps protect the toad from predators. If an animal tries to bite a toad, the toxin can cause irritation or a bad taste, encouraging the predator to release it. Like frogs, toads begin their lives in water as tadpoles. Adult toads return to ponds, puddles, or slow-moving streams to breed. The females lay long strings of eggs in water which hatch into tadpoles. Over time, the tadpoles grow legs, develop lungs, and transform into young toads through metamorphosis. One well-known species is the cane toad, which is famous for its strong defensive toxins and its ability to survive in many environments. Despite their rough appearance, toads are important members of ecosystems because they help control insect populations and serve as food for larger animals, such as birds, snakes, and mammals.